Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. So tomorrow we're going to take this Milanesa. Now, it's $11. So this is definitely more than what jerky would be. I don't know. Jerky's not so cheap anymore. This is 1.78 pounds. So anyway, we got it on sale. But what we're going to do is we're going to set this up to marinade. And then we're going to put it in the dehydrator tomorrow. Let's put some wood fire, garlic with hardwood smoked flavor. Let's put some of that down in there. And then we're going to add some stuffs. I'm going to add some of this Thai sweet chili. Yes, it's upside down because I got it. There we go. We're finishing it off. That's why we had it upside down. All right. We're also going to have some Jihu stir fry. One of my coworkers, Kelly, she brought in some Jihu stir fry and Jihu's teriyaki. She is allergic to pineapples, and she had some, so she couldn't eat this one. Whoop. So evidently the teriyaki, she said it used to not be a listed ingredient, but it is now. And so she brought some because she couldn't have it. I'm going to add some of this General Tso. Alrighty. Yeah. Now, I don't know what else you do. I'm going to top it off with some water. I don't know, but that's what I'm going to do. Let's twist again like we did last summer. Let's twist again like we did last year. Yeah. Because we want this all through it. I don't know, maybe I should add something else. I don't know what, but I never done this kind of thing, so suck my toe all the way to Tokyo. While you're there, wash your hair and all your dirty underwear. Come on, some of you guys remember that from when you were kids. I know you do. So let's put just a little bit more of this pineapple marinade. Now, so this is going to sit overnight, and we'll pull this out, and we'll put it in our dehydrator tomorrow. So, all right, I'll show you how it goes down tomorrow. Hey, this is the next morning. Now I'm going to start putting these. I've never done this. I've actually only done the meat chips that are the ones, out of the lunch meat. So I've never used like a meat like this. So this will be my first time doing this. So we're going to find out how this works together. Some of y'all said this is what I could do with it. So let's see how she goes. Probably have to do this in multiple rounds. But anyway, so I'll put the rest of these on, or as many as I can get on, and I'll get back with you. So I went ahead and turned this off. It's got a little pull to it like regular jerky. And some of it's a little crispy. Yeah. Let me get a Ziploc bag, just a second. Let me tell you how I'm going to use it. I'm going to put this in a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to put this in my freezer. And I'm doing that because I don't plan on eating this for a while. I have a couple things coming up. I'm not sure which I'll use it for. One is a work trip. The other is I'm having surgery, so I'll be going to my mom's house. So I might take this with me. More than likely, it'll go with you on the work trip. But, because we'll be staying in a hotel, and I'll be taking my own stuff. my own food, but still. But anyway, I will store this in the freezer just to make sure it stays dry and stays safe enough for me to eat when it's time to eat it. So there you, and I'm gonna label it. Hold on. What is today? 9/2 jerky. So there you go. That's what I made.